In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Outlook seamlessly. If you're someone who juggles between emails, tasks, and calendars, this integration will streamline your workflow by connecting these essential tools. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll need a third-party tool to facilitate this integration, such as Zapier or Make. These platforms act as a bridge between Notion and Outlook, allowing you to automate various actions. With this integration, you can automate tasks like creating a new Notion page whenever you receive an email, transforming flagged emails into actionable tasks in Notion, or even converting calendar events into entries in a Notion database. These automations can significantly reduce the time you spend on manually managing these tasks and help keep everything organized and in one place. To set up this integration using Zapier, we'll start by creating what's called a Zap. A Zap is a specific workflow that links your apps together to automate tasks between them. Begin by logging into your Zapier account, and if you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're logged in, click on the option to create a new Zap. The first thing you need to decide is your trigger, which is the event in Outlook that will start your workflow. For this example, let's use a new email in Outlook as our trigger. This means that every time you receive a new email, it will initiate an action in Notion. In Zapier, select Outlook as your app and then choose New Email as your trigger event. You'll need to authenticate your Outlook account, giving Zapier the necessary permissions to access your emails. Next, it's time to set up the action, which is what you want to happen in Notion when the trigger event occurs. For our scenario, we want to create a new database item in Notion every time a new email is received. In Zapier, select Notion as your app for the action step, and then choose Create Database Item as your action event. You'll again need to connect your Notion account if you haven't done so already. Now comes the important part, mapping your fields to ensure the right data is transferred from Outlook to Notion. You'll want to map the subject of your email to the title of your Notion page, the body of the email to the description, and the date of the email to the created time in Notion. This mapping ensures that the information from your email is accurately reflected in your Notion workspace. Once you've mapped the fields, the final step is to turn your Zap on, activating the automation. From now on, you'll find that your emails automatically appear as pages in Notion, keeping your thoughts and tasks in perfect harmony. That's all for this tutorial. With this setup, you'll find a significant improvement in how you manage your tasks and your time. Remember, automating routine actions can free up more time for what truly matters. Happy automating.